All right, guys, in this video, we are going to put everything together, okay? So let's review everything we've learned about normal distribution and how to find probabilities and also percentiles. So when we go on the resources and then Desmos calculator, let me just clear everything that we have here. All right, so we want to click on the plus sign. We're going to go to inference, and under probability distributions, we're going to select normal. Now, in this case, the mean is 69.9 and standard deviation is 3, and this is heights of mean. Okay, so we click on create distribution. And now we want to find various probabilities. So first we are going to expand the cumulative probability menu. And we're just going to put the numbers, okay? So this is going to be 66.9 is the lower bound, and 74.4 is the upper bound. And it just gives us the probability and also shades the corresponding area, which I really love how Desmos does that. So that's 0.775. Okay, now the next question says, what's the chance that the randomly selected man is taller than 74.4 inches? So when it says taller, that means we want the area to the right of the number. So somebody like that or higher, so this would be to the right. And then we just put whatever number in the blank. So that would be 74.4. So that's a pretty small chance. So that's 0.067, which makes sense. Not that many people are taller than that. Okay, what is the chance that a randomly selected man is shorter than 66.9? So that would be to the left, right? So we're just going to click on left and enter 66.9, and that is a 0.159. Finally, we want to find the percentile. So it's very important that you guys remember or put on your note card for the test that you need to, first of all, switch your region, if needed, to left. So anytime you see the word percentile, think region left. Because the way the percentiles works is this is the percent to the left of a number. And since they're asking us, what is that cutoff that would separate 95% from the 5%, right? 95% of shorter people from the 5% of the tallest. If you're looking for a number, not an area or probability, you need to switch the compute to bounds. So compute should be bounds. Okay? If you want the probability, you want to keep it as area. See how here every one of these says probability, probability, probability. So that's area. And then bounds is that cutoff. And then the number, the 95%, is going to go into the rightmost blank. So it's going to go like right over here. All right, so let's delete that. But if you put 95, Desmos is going to complain and say, excuse me, this is not good. It should be a number between 0 and 1. So you need to take 95, divide that by 100, and that decimal representation of the percent you put into the blank, and then the corresponding answer, which in this case is 74.83, which makes sense. It should be a tall person. It does say round to one decimal place, so I'll just say 74.8 because the next number is the 3, which means that it's going to keep the same 8 in there. You don't have to increase it by 1. All right, let's just submit and see.